gorgeous. Can you stand it? 14 more samples from hashtag 365 days of samples 2018 edition. First of all, 2 shampoos. S Factor by TIGI. Is that TIGI or just TIGI? Anyway, it's Serious Shampoo and Serious Conditioner. It says sensational repair for damaged hair. My hair is not damaged. I do nearly nothing to it, but it's falling out. So I don't know if this would just do anything for me anyway, but I liked it. It was a nice shampoo. It got my hair nice and clean. I wouldn't buy it though, because I'm really trying to concentrate on shampoos that will keep my hair from falling out and maybe make it grow back. I tried Drybar Southern Belle Volume Boosting Shampoo and Conditioner, and that's what is here today. I had a Drybar from a couple weeks ago that left me totally limp and floppy and wouldn't rinse out. This, on the other hand, was pretty nice. Is it giving me volume? Yeah, maybe a little bit. Maybe a little bit. I wouldn't buy it though, for the same reason as the other. I just, I'm better off sticking with something that's possibly going to keep my hair from falling out. I went through 3 more packages of DHC Deep CLeansing Oil. And this is a good one. It just doesn't do anything special. Since I discovered the Julep cleansing oil, I'm devoted now. Because it's, in addition to getting all my makeup off and working and playing well with the soap, that Julep really just, it plumps me, it moisturizes me, and does all sorts of wonderful things. I used 2 packets of fresh Soy Face Cleanser for all skin types, rich in amino acids, gently cleanses face and eyes. It is true. It was very gentle. It participated in the removal of some last dregs of eye makeup. It's kind of a clear, it's clear, but maybe slightly yellow color and slightly foamy coming out of the package. It's, pardon me, a little dry. Yes, my nose is running off my face, but my mouth is dry. Go figure. It didn't suds up very much, which, you know, is fine. It got my face clean. It didn't do anything extra. I didn't dislike it, but it didn't, I don't know, there was just something about it that didn't make me feel drawn to it as certain others do. I don't know, maybe it's the squeaky clean feeling or the feeling plumped up feeling, I'm not sure. But I don't think I'd buy it. There are a lot of good things in the fresh line, though, I will say. I used 3 packs of Sunday Riley C.E.O. And that is vitamin C anti-pollution, oh my gosh, exopolysaccharides plus lime pearl extract. C plus E antioxidant protect and repair moisturizer provides deep, luminous, but never greasy moisturization, while 5% THD ascorbate vitamin C complex expertly fights the visible signs of UV and micro-pollution-induced skin aging and sensitivity. All right, I live in a small town in Mississippi, so I'm not getting a lot of pollutants in my air as I did when I lived in Houston, so that's not really an issue for me. But I will say that this was highly emollient, very sticky. You could smell the vitamin C in it. And I liked it coming in this fashion. It did absorb within about 5 minutes, and I liked it very much. But I have others that I like even better. I mean, just for example, and this is, you know, a couple bucks, so I'm not going to be rushing out and buying this I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Sunday Riley. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. I'm knocking everything over. Okay. Stop that. Next, Korres Golden Crocus Saffron Door. Saffron of gold. Golden Saffron. Ageless Saffron Elixir. Okay, so I took Elixir to be the same thing as a serum. And this had little gold flecks in it. And I would put it on my dry face, in other words, before putting anything else on, as if it were a serum. And it just didn't seem to do anything at all. I mean, this is a good bit in this little thing. This was, I guess, about a week and a half worth. And I never saw any results from it at all. I wanted to like it because I like the brand, and dislike it, but it didn't do anything. All right, and last but not least, Viktor and Rolf Spicebomb. This is a men's scent, a man's scent, a male scent, and I've received a lot of other samples which I've passed on to Richard, and when he runs out, I'll buy a bottle for him, which I will occasionally borrow, because this smelled really nice on me. I mean, it's obviously a fall-winter scent, but I used to just sometimes, yeah, it just smells really nice. I honestly think this can be a unisex scent. Anyway, so that's it for this week. See you next time. Love y'all. Bye.